Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. If you see this book, you know what we're going to do. We're going to cast out this 100 envelope savings challenge that I have done with the tweet. We are in the second week. I'm super excited that I'm doing this again in the quarter. If you haven't seen my other videos, please go ahead and check it out. I have a whole playlist about that. When you finish this challenge, you save about 1,000 plus. Depending on how you do it, you're going to get definitely 1,000 plus. So today is the second week. Super excited. Since I'm going to finish paying off my student loan, which is my focus. When I'm finishing this challenge, I'm going to put it in an investment. And I'm going to share the journey with you guys, how the investment is going and how everything is turning around. And it's going to be very fun after this quarter. When we finish this money is going towards investment. It's no longer going towards debt anymore because I'll finish my student loan and this has to go into investment. I hope everybody's doing very well. My name is Josie. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being part of my friends. Super excited to come to your home this Saturday. I think I'm releasing this video is going out Saturday. Thank you. If you haven't, click on the subscribe button. Please do me a big favor and do that. It helps the channel very well. And thank you. So that somebody can also see this video and start saving gradually. A lot of people ask me questions. Why do you have to save in this wallet? Why do you have to save and keep it at home? It's not about the saving. It's about being consistent, intentional. I don't want to go put it in my bank account and I'll be moving it to my checking and spending it. I don't want to go put it in my bank account and when I see it, I will just spend it. This is keeping me focused, aligned, making me excited to save. So if you've been struggling to save, if you've been struggling to put money away, this might help. It's a very easy challenge, trust me. For those who have done with me can testify that it's a different way of doing the 100 envelope savings challenge. So if you haven't started, it's still not too late. I have done only 3 of these and I have that video up. Follow along and let's finish this by the quarter. Now let me count the money, then we'll go ahead and save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So that's 29. Then I have 10. So that's 39. I have 10 again. That's 49. And I have 20. So that will be 69. That is going towards. So every week I will do 2 of these. The first week I do 3 so that I can finish it in the quarter. So now if I do 2 every week, we're going to finish by the second quarter, which is going to be end of May. Yes, super. Oh, so that will be, let me take that back. So that will be end of June. That will be end of the quarter. So today, what we are doing is that instead of 13, we're going to do 1 plus 3, which is 4. So that will be $4. So that makes it simple. Maybe you don't have $13 to put it here. You can put $4. Hi, Mama. My daughter is here, so anytime she comes around, she's coming to the step. Then this one is 1 plus 4, which is going to be $5. To 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My kids are on spring break, so just imagine what is going on in this house. Then we have 1 plus 5, which is going to be $6. So I have $6. Then I have 1 plus 6, which is going to be $7. Then I have 1 plus 7, which is going to be $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I have 1 plus 8, which is going to be $9. Then I have 1 plus 9, which is $10. Then I have 20, which is, at the normal circumstance, it will be 2 plus 0, which is $2. But my multiples of 10, I do $20. So 10, when I got to 10, I put 10 instead of 1. So that's about, if you want to do 2 plus 0 and you want to put $2, that's also fine. The money will not be the same, but it's okay. My multiples of 10, I'm doing the same amount. That makes the magic. Super excited. So we are done with 5 of them, and I can't wait to finish it by the next quarter. So let me go ahead and shade this one. Okay, so this is how cute it is. So we are done with the challenge, and thank you for joining me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.